Hey everyone, Paul Soucek here with your monthly dose of reality, optimism, and maybe just a little automation evangelism. Let's talk about what's been heating up lately. Tariffs. Yep, that word again. But hear me out. While it may sound like political noise to some, for American industry, it could be the sound of opportunity knocking. With increased tariffs on foreign-made goods and components, we're seeing more and more companies rethinking where and how they manufacture their products. Spoiler alert, it's coming back home. But here's the catch. Bringing manufacturing back to the US isn't as simple as dusting off an old factory and yelling, "Hey, let's build stuff." The labor pool for traditional manufacturing roles just isn't what it used to be. People aren't exactly lining up to stand on an assembly line for 8 hours a day, and honestly, who can blame them? But that's where automation and your friendly neighborhood robotics integrator comes in. At Delta Technology, we're not just excited about the return of American manufacturing, we're ready for it. Automation is the key to making this transition sustainable and scalable. Robots don't call in sick, they don't need lunch breaks, and they don't complain about repetitive tasks, although we do occasionally catch them side-eyeing each other. The point is, we can fill the labor gap with precision, efficiency, and innovation. And unlike offshore labor, our solutions don't come with shipping delays or customs paperwork. This is a massive opportunity to future-proof American industry and rebuild our supply chain smarter and stronger than ever. Whether you're a mid-sized manufacturer or a large-scale operation looking to scale up domestically, the answer isn't to search for more people, it's to partner with more robots. And hey, those robots need a good home, we know a guy. Until next time, keep innovating, stay curious, and let's build the future right here in the USA with a little help from automation and a whole lot of Delta technology.